Go get him. Go get him. There you go.
Was in really, he fell a couple of times and then just went downhill from there.
Wow.
I think for somebody who had polio as a kid,
God bless him. Oh, that makes me sad. Go get him.
there you go. Go get him, Blessing.
That's amazing. Blessing's so chill now that she gets to like run him around.
Right here. Better than any TV show.
She used to say the same thing to Titus.
She loves it.
Catch it.
Oh, get him, Blessing, get him. Get that Oakley.
Why you tired me out?
Get him.
He's a good runner.
I know. She's going.
Yeah.
She gets going and it's almost like she is going too fast and then she's like
Wait a minute.
Poor baby.
she's gonna go down hard tonight, man.
Yeah.
His little legs are running.
You take over, Blessing.
Ran
You take over for me.
She says, I'm tired.
Oakley's gonna taunt her. He's gonna be like, hey.